looked really cute. Nice outfit, guys. The lack of certainty and the no smile communicates this dude's creepy, this dude's not confident, this dude's potentially a threat. I got rejected, I suck. Like, I don't even think she actually heard me. I could probably still go up and give her a genuine compliment now. Hey, excuse me. Hi. The biggest mistakes I see is that dudes just don't talk loud enough. They don't smile, or the rhythm and pace that they're talking at is very awkward and creepy. So I'm gonna give a really creepy, awkward compliment right now, and watch how it doesn't really hit. I thought you looked nice. I thought you looked nice. Take care. Yeah, so you notice that, like, I don't know if the camera caught it, but the moment I said it, she ejected. And the reason behind that is because there was just no smile. There's no enthusiasm, there's no emotion being created when you say, I like your look. I thought you looked really cute. Nice jacket. So that's an example of shit delivery. But let's do another example of a bad compliment, which would be like, I'm not even looking at them, they barely hear me. Hey, excuse me. Excuse me. I thought you looked really cute. Because of the distance I opened at and how weak I opened, I don't know if the camera caught it, but she was like this. She looked back, and she never stopped walking. The weakness of my voice, the lack of certainty, and the no smile communicates this dude's creepy, this dude's not confident, this dude's potentially a threat. And here's gonna be another shitty compliment. Nice outfit, guys. They didn't even respond either, because I'm talking at a low volume. Hopefully the camera caught their reactions. There was zero acknowledgement, zero reaction, and it's all in the vibe and the delivery and the eye contact and the smile that creates that emotion within people. Because you could say something very simple and get a great response. You could say the same words with a shit delivery and get completely ignored, like how that just happened. So I'll give another one here. This will be kind of shit too. I'm barely gonna look at her. I like your dress. No response. I got rejected, I suck. No, you don't suck, dude. It's just, your voice is weak. I don't even think she actually heard me. I don't even think she knows I'm talking to her. I could probably still go up and give her a genuine compliment now. Let me just show you. She might be a little creeped out already because of what I did. But let's just see. I'll show you guys the difference in responses though. Hey, excuse me. Hi. Hi. Can I just say, I thought you looked really nice today.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I really like the outfit. Yeah, no problem. How's your day going? Good?
Beautiful.
Thank you. That's why it's important to smile, right? Like when you see somebody, you gotta smile and bring a good emotion. Just wanted to say that. What's your name? It's a pleasure meeting you.
So nice to meet you.
Yeah, Kyle.
Hi.
Yes. Have an awesome day, okay? You know what's funny is I actually tried to tell you that back there.
Oh my God.
I thought you rejected me.
I'm so sorry.
I was like, damn, I got rejected. But then I was like, wait, maybe she just didn't even hear me because I wasn't smiling. You probably didn't hear me and I didn't get your attention that well, you know? I said it's super weak and creepy and weird and that's why you walked by. And then when I came back, I was like, you know what? Let me put a little bit more of a smile and make sure she could hear me at a safe distance. And then you stopped.
Oh, thank you again.
Yeah, no problem. It's a pleasure, okay? Have an awesome day. Okay, so there you have it. Good versus bad, literally on the same girl. And then I just hammered home the point in conversation to make it really fucking obvious for you guys. So hopefully that helps. So those are the three biggest mistakes I see guys not doing consistently. They're not smiling, they're opening with a really weak voice, or they're opening at like an awkward distance where they're either behind the girl or they're like too close to her, or it's just too late.
If you're somebody who wants to increase their social confidence and achieve the dating life you've always dreamed of, I can help you with that. Click the link in the description for an opportunity to work with me personally. Click the link below right now. Let's go.